Hey YouTube, so I had a requested video to do knife sharpening, just a little quick how to sharpen knives. So I'm just going to use my one stone that I use for pretty much everything, my old diamond stone. It is a fairly fine stone, not extremely or anything, it's fairly fine. I don't know its exact grit, I've had it forever. I do have, I think it's 2000 grit that I use on the straight razors. But for just normal knives, that's a little too much. You're going to wear that edge down way too fast. And then I do have an extremely coarse stone for if something gets a nick in it. But this one does pretty much everything. So I was cutting some boxes up, so I need to put my razor edge back on this guy because it is mostly cutting, but it is tearing paper a little bit. So you just make sure you get the entire blade. Going blade first. And your key to this is consistent angle and consistent pressure. Especially with just a fairly fine kind of medium grit diamond stone, because it can eat pretty quick if you put too much pressure on it. Just make sure I get that tip really nice, the whole thing. Then just take a piece of leather. Fortunately for me, my sharpening stone is in a piece of leather. And you go the opposite direction, just a couple times. Good stiff piece of denim will also do the job for that. And then we should be nice and sharp then. And that's it, guys. That's all it takes. It's a pretty quick process once you get to doing it, and then you'll just shred paper with the thing. So that was Glock 17 that requested that video. Let's go check him out. And there you go, guys. Just a nice, quick, simple knife sharpening video. So that's it for this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.